This is how you can remove things in Adobe Photoshop, assuming you have a picture or an image that you would like to use. And let's say we would like to remove some things like this book on the table. Go to the left hand screen of your image, click on here, clone stamp tool or pattern stamp tool, or click on S on your keyboard. Before we do this, you want to go to your image, right click and click on rasterize layer. And now, as you can see, we have the circle icon. If you click the right bracket key on your keyboard, it's going to make the quick selection larger, and the left arrow key, it's going to decrease. Go over, let's say, to this table and hold down Alt and click and drag your mouse. Make sure that clone stamp tool is selected, or click on S and hold down and click on Alt and click on the area. As you can see, if we're dragging our mouse, it's going to copy this area. Now right here, you can see if we hold down and we click, it's now copying this area. Again, Alt, click and hold and drag to the left or right to copy. And now as we can see, we're removing this in the image. If you want to remove thing number 2, you can do the same thing. Hold down Alt, click. As you can see, it's copying everything from here. Do the same. This is how you can successfully remove an object or removing objects in photos